2020 Camry, Toyota Camry. Just replaced the windshield. We're actually doing the process on the calibration because so this is the calibration machine here, the mobile one. We just completed right now the calibration, so done and complete. Just got recalibrated.
Okay, yeah, the scanner. Yeah, I have the tablet over there. I could mount this thing.
This is the calibration machine that we're using.
Okay.
It's pretty cool.
Yeah, you just gotta wait for that to scan. Then.
Contact Mobile Safe Auto Glass. We do all the replacements, also calibration on domestic and foreign vehicles. You could go to our website, mobilesafeautoglass.com.